Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you interesting facts about artificial intelligence. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. So let's get it started. Artificial Intelligence Facts 2023. Statistics and data on artificial intelligence demonstrate the extent of the market's influence on the globe. Over the past few years, it has significantly changed the technology environment. But the sector as a whole is still quite young. AI and machine learning will significantly alter how organizations, businesses, and people interact as they continue to grow. Here are some numbers and data you should be aware of. Facts 2023 about artificial intelligence. AI has a 92% accuracy rate in predicting COVID-19 death rates. A deep learning AI system that was recently unveiled by Google and Oxford Research has a 4.8% accuracy rate and can read lips better than 12.4% of the human brain. Through the use of machine learning in its own Netflix recommendation engine, Netflix has saved over $1 billion. In 2021, the cashier-free Amazon Go outlets generated $4.5 billion in sales, or around 50% more than typical convenience stores. According to Dr. Jean-Louis Rault, an expert on animal welfare, robotic pets will be commonplace by 2025. By 2035, the economic growth of developing nations may be doubled if AI were to be implemented there. There are several gadgets that support AI. Nearly 77% of devices today use AI technology in one form or another. Interesting and surprising AI stats and facts 2023. By 2027, it is anticipated that the market for AI, one of the technologies with the quickest rate of growth, will be worth $270 billion. It is anticipated to reach $15.7 trillion by 2030. Only 33% of people are aware that they are using a machine's AI capabilities, even though 77% of people do so in some way. The use of AI technology at work increased from 10% in 2015 to 37% in 2021. The COVID-19 pandemic saw a dramatic rise in the application of AI. The adoption of AI increased by 37% in the financial industry, 27% in retail, and 20% in IT. According to 83% of firms, creating and implementing an AI algorithm is essential to their strategic aims. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.